Create a new SwiftUI view and name the view Bubble Message View. Bubble Message View. The bubble message view has one variable named message, and the purpose of that message is to hold and display the selected item that was clicked. The next thing we need to do within the text element include the variable message, so that the selected item can be displayed when clicked. Foreground color white, padding background blue, corner radius 15, shadow radius 8. So the first things that we done was to set the color of the foreground to white. We added some padding to the text for better spacing, and then we set the background color of the bubble to blue and added a corner radius of 15 and a shadow to the bubble with a radius of 10. The preview we can delete as we're not using it. The next view we need to create is setting items view. The purpose of the setting item view is to display the name of the caption of the menu item and the system symbol icon. So create another SwiftUI view, name the view setting item view, settings item view has two variables, icon string, which is a variable to hold the name of the system icon, var text, a variable to hold the text that will be displayed next to the icon. On line 15 we need to create a haystack. Within the haystack we need to add a system image which is called icon, or the icon variable. Foreground color for the system image white, and then the text UI element will hold the text of the menu, like the menu name, for example, if it's notification. The foreground color will be white, and then within our content view, we need to add two @state variables. @state private bar is expanded, bool equals false. The purpose of that variable is to track whether the settings section is expanded or collapsed. @state private bar selected item string optional equals nil. And then on line 14, we need to add a navigation view. Just for a title, really. We don't really need to like add it, but just for the title, so it looks a bit neater, really, that way. Navigation view. VStack. And then our VStack will contain the group box, and the group box will include a few actions. And the next thing we need is a label. Which is called settings for the caption. The system image is gear shape dot fill. On lines 18, we missed out a bracket. So we need to fix these errors. There's a bracket missing on lines 23. Or two brackets. and then an open bracket, and another closing bracket. Just compile it. And the next thing we need to do is that when the user clicks on the settings menu of the group box, it will perform a toggle action to expand the menu items. So we implement this within the group box button action. If expanded, toggle, so if it's true, it will be false. If it's false, it will be true. Then we just need to style our label, foreground color, dot white, dot padding, dot background, color, red, 59 divided by 255, green, 89 divided by 255, blue, 152 divided by 255. And let's set the background color to blue. Next thing we need to do is to add a corner radius. Which is 8. So that will add rounded corners to the label. I'll just add a comment here. Add is expanded. Code for next week. So in next week's tutorial we will complete the implementation for the content view. Thank you for joining us. If you found this tutorial helpful, please comment, like and subscribe. See you next week.